In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and then copy or cut any text. To paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard, and to paste it later on, click on this icon at the top left corner. Select Clipboard and tap on your text here, then select Paste. To delete it, hit Delete, and to go back to standard keyboard, use the same icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!